Hi guys, welcome back. Well, this is a first. I've accidentally managed to basically service this Sekonda. Okay, what happened? I'll tell you what happened. You probably remember the video of this lovely Sekonda that I bought for £7. Cleaned it all up. It was working, it was sold as working, but it stopped. So soon after I did my video on it, it stopped. And I kind of given up on it. I even tried rubbing a bit of oil on top of the jewel. I tried lighter fluid, everything. And when I was heating it up, I must have, or when I was touched, I don't know what I did, but I must have touched the back of the balance wheel jewel. And the clip must have come off and the jewel fell out. So I was thinking, oh God, I couldn't find it. Let me just zoom in to show you. So this clip, okay, just zoom in. I'll just point it out. So the jewel is held in by that little brass clip there. And once that's gone, the jewel will just fall out. So I don't know what I'd done. Probably touched it with my finger somewhere. Anyway, that was a couple of days ago. Today, I had a look at where I was warming the watch up, and I found the jewel laying on the floor because the jewel had gone. I thought, oh great. So I went to put the jewel back in the watch, and the clip itself was lying in between the wheel and the edge there. So I thought, oh, hang on, maybe I've got a chance of putting this back. I thought, well, how can I do that? Well, I'll go back to the, excuse me a second, go back to, sorry, using my phone here, trying to get the zoom back, it always messes around. I've got a pair of tweezers, which are great for getting splinters out. Now these tweezers have like a little magnifying glass on. I thought, I wonder if they will do the job. Well, these are not watchmaking tweezers or anything like that. This is just tweezers I've got because I'm always getting splinters from work. I don't know if the camera's going to show that, but it... Excuse me, 1 second, let me pick the camera up. Probably get one of those things. Oh, so you can kind of see that it's trying to zoom in there. There you go. Like that. So it magnifies it pretty well. Okay. So what I did, I'm a bit excited. Sorry guys, I'm not talking very well. I'm not zooming in. Here we go. So before I put the jewel back in, I thought, well, hang on, this is my chance to get this thing working properly. Let's put a drop of oil on behind the jewel. So all I've got is this thin sword oil, which I use to, it's samurai sword oil. I've got a couple of medieval swords I used to leave up on the wall for display. And that oil is very thin and it's for cleaning. And I've got this oil left over. I haven't got the swords up anymore. I've put those away. But yeah, I still kept the oil. So I know it's a good, thin, clean oil. I thought maybe it'd do the job. So by just dipping that into the oil to get a drop, I put the drop on and then I placed the jewel and the clip. Okay, so please don't stop watching because the other Sekonda arrived. Okay, this one came not working. This is a non-working watch. It's exactly the same as this one. Now that little bit of steam is because I've been cleaning the watch up. It was really, really grotty, really grotty. I've cleaned this has come with a leather strap, which is on the radiator at the moment, drying because it was absolutely filthy. And I've cleaned the watch strap up. I've given the, I've given everything a bit of a clean up, but I've got a little bit of condensation there, probably where I got a bit of moisture inside. So just ignore that for now. We can dry that up. I'm going to attempt to service that mainspring bearing quickly. It's not going to be done with any real finesse, but let's see if I can get that jewel out, pop a drop of oil in there and see if the thing works. So okay. First of all, let's pop the back plate back for this one. Now we've got that working, and it's going to be this back plate, because the other one was really nasty and it's still got some marks, almost rust on the back of it. So I know that's for the non-working watch. So I'm hoping it didn't get too rusty in there. And this is for the working one, or the one that's working again. So we'll pop that back on. Let's put the seal back on. I think I'll use the tweezers, get that seal in the right place. Come on, drop back down. The back plate. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to film this. I'm going to try. Let's see if I can do this again. That one's still working, so that's fantastic. Pop that down. Okay. Am I going to be able to manage? It's getting darker here. We've got the light. Let's see if we can do this quickly. Well, not too quick. Okay, so I'll put that down. Let's get the camera over the top. I'll tell you what, guys, if I can do this, anyone can do it. I don't know if I can do it yet. Okay. Okay, so there you can see we need to remove the little clip, and to do that we need to squeeze it together slightly and then it will come out. So let me get my thumb out of the way. Sorry guys. So I'm going to be looking through the magnifying glass. You're hopefully going to see it on the screen. Okay, just offering that up. So if I just concentrating, give this little clip a squeeze and it's come out. Unfortunately it's broken. Damn and blast, must have squeezed it too hard. So abort.